Hi everyone, let us compare fractions. Let's say you have two fractions with same denominator. It's easy to compare which fraction is greater than the other. You only see the numerator. Which numerator is the bigger, so this fraction is the greater. In this case, we have 3 and 2. So here, 3 is greater than 2. So this fraction is greater than this one. But if we have two fractions with different denominators, so here we have to calculate the LCM for the denominators. So we said LCM, we say of 3 and of 6, okay? So here we say 3 by 1 is 3 and 3 by 2 is 6. And here we say 6 by 1 is 6 and 6 by 2 is 12. So already here we have two common multiples, which is in the list we have 6 and 6 here. So we're going to write these two new denominators here. This for this fraction and this for this fraction. So we have common or the same denominators. So we're going to work out the numerators. Now here 3 for this fraction, 3 came up with 6. So this means we multiply this by 2. 3 by 2 is 6. And here also we're going to multiply this by 2. 2 by 10 is 20. Then for this fraction, here we have 6 and here 6. So here means multiply by 1 and here multiply by 1. So 5 by 1 is 5 and 6 by 1 is 6. So here now we have two fractions with same denominators. So we're going to look at the numerators. Which numerator is the biggest? This one, 20 is bigger than 5. So this fraction is supposed to be the greatest. So we're going to write it 10 over 3 and 5 over 6. So this fraction here is greater than this one. Now let me tell you another trick which to find this quickly. Okay, so we're going to write them again here, 10 over 3 and 5 over 6. So we're going to multiply these two and these two. So here we are, we'll multiply 10 by 6 is 60 and 3 by 5 is 15. So which is greater, the numerators, 60 or 15? So 60 is the greater, so this fraction is the greater one. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching.